Hey beauty queen, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aletha, back today with another video. So I'm gonna be doing another wig review, but wig review installation. I'm gonna be installing my hair and showing you the whole process of it. So if you'd like to know how to install your wig, definitely stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead, like and subscribe for new contents. Do not hesitate to give suggestions of what you want to see in the next video. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. You can get the ball cap if you want, but I feel like this is more tamer. It's not gonna look too heavy, and it's not gonna feel like you're wearing like a wig. It's not gonna look all heavy, and you're not gonna feel it. Okay, that's why I use this kind, and I'm literally just gonna dry my hair. So this right here, this is the side key that they use on their lights. People wear this on their shoe and stuff. I'm gonna be using it for my hair today. You don't gotta use the same thing if you don't like it, but this, ooh, it's too small. It doesn't fit my hair. Oh, we're gonna be using this spray right here. This is from Wig Dealer. It literally melt down. What is happening to my eyebrow? It literally melt down your wig. So go ahead and get one of this. Very cheap. It's like I think 10 or 15 out. This oil right here is olive oil right here. This one is literally gonna help with the melting the lace down as well. And obviously you need I'm listing everything to you. You also need glue. I have two different kind of glue that I use. I use the Press by Brandon. This one is for extreme hold. If you literally want for your wig to stay for like 2-3 weeks, go for this one. But it depends on how you install the wig, okay? And then this right here is by Wig Dealer as well. I feel like this one is for like 2 weeks as well, depending on how you take care of the wig. So I love this one as well. so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for staying tuned and watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. God bless you.